So this is my climate data for Portland, Oregon, and if I'm going to make my climatogram graph, I have to make sure that these boxes here only have numbers in them. If they have any letters, then the graph won't work. So I put the units over in the column all the way to the left. So I have temperature in Fahrenheit and rain in inches. So I'll have to adjust the scale because it would be different if I had Celsius and then millimeters, but I can do that in a minute. So I highlight all my data and I click Insert Chart. And this automatically made a double line graph, but I want it to be a combo chart. So I select that one. But the problem here is that it put the temperature as columns, and I want to switch the columns and the lines. So I click Customize, and I go to Series, and I say Apply to Temperature. And I'm going to make my temperature a line graph. And I'm going to change the color to red, and then I'm going to come up here, switch to rain, change the color to blue, and change the type to columns. Then I'm going to put my axis for the rain data on the right. So now it has the temperature scale on the left and the rain data scale on the right. So this is what I want my graph to look like. I just have to fix a few things with the title and the labels. So I come over to chart and axis titles, and I'm going to call my title Climatogram for Portland, Oregon. And then I will change to my horizontal axis title is there. So my vertical axis title, this is the left one. And I'm going to call this temperature Fahrenheit. And then for my right vertical axis title, I'm going to call this rain inches. And then the last thing I want to do is change my my horizontal axis. I want to slant the labels at 60 degrees. So this is my finished climatogram. Then I click these three dots, copy chart, and then I will click into my climate profile template where I want it and click Control V, and that will paste. So that's these three dots, copy chart, and then Control V to paste it.